I'm Scott the Nature Guy, and today we're going to see what other kind of birds we can find. Birds can be very shy, and when you get near them, they'll fly away, and some will come right up to you. Well, today I'm bringing out my big lens because I'm trying to get some of those shy ones. This lens allows me to see things that are far away. See if you can figure out why a big lens like this makes things seem closer. I'm going to use a tripod today because a big lens like this can be very hard to handhold and the images might get real shaky. Here's some bird pictures, one with a tripod and one without it. See if you can tell the difference. All right, let's get to taking pictures. Oh, look, there's a hummingbird. Ah, a tufted titmouse. There's a crow. They're very smart, and they collect things. Oh, there's a goldfinch. There's a starling over there. In 1890, they released 60 of them in the United States, and now there's millions of them. There's a woodpecker. You don't even need to see them to know they're out there. Just listen for the rat-a-tat-tat. There's a dove. And now a little bonus before we go. Here's a hummingbird in action. That's all the birds for today. So until next time, I'm Scott, the Nature Guy.